Alright, we did it. We broke something else that Flex makes. You can really see how the carbide is just gone from this thing. And we cut lag bolts, we cut nails, we cut hundreds of feet of wood with this thing. And we finally managed to dull it. So what's my thought on these blades? These things are 10 bucks. I think that they're an excellent value. And I'm gonna show you what a dull blade looks like versus a new blade. And then I'm gonna remind you about how awesome this jigsaw is. Clean with the heat expansion slots. And then for the contrast. Yeah. Pay attention to the dust port on this Flex. It's kind of cool. It actually works really well. Real clean cut. You can see both sides of the blade because the motor is in line with this saw. Smooth, precise cuts. Go with the fast and clean wood blade from Diablo. This might be my favorite Flex tool. I don't know why. I don't use the jigsaw often, but maybe you'll see why I like it so much here in a second. This thing's just awesome. It's got the quick insert. It's got lights, it's got power, and most importantly, it's got power. Watch this. Yeah, it's just really fast, really smooth. So the tool storage on this is actually really nice. It's really secure. The button is right there. All right, we got the battery back in it, we're safe. And here we go. This is gonna be terrible because this blade is like so dull, it's actually really funny. Let's just see how it does. Got a smoke show going on. See the cut? You can kind of see like it's weird. It's almost like it like melted. Yeah, I don't know. Never seen a cut like that. It's more like it tore the wood than even cut it. We're gonna do it again. Alright, so what do I think of this saw? I don't know, you tell me, man. This thing's indestructible. So, just like most Flex things. I think we may have broken this chuck, actually. I gave him a call. Waited about 15 minutes, kept getting a message that said if you'd like to leave a call back. Finally, I was like, I will leave a call back. So they called me first thing in the morning. Talked to the guy, told him that, you know, I've been trying to break these things for a year now. No joke. Case in point here, we are testing these for you guys, and let me tell you, these things stand up to some serious abuse. So, yeah, proof is in the pudding right there. Look at all that pudding. Yeah, they're sending me a new one. After I told them, you know, all this stuff, they didn't want to send it and examine it. They didn't want to make sure that I didn't void the warranty. I literally told the guy what I was doing to it. And without hesitation, they were like, well, we'll just send you a new one. And that is good news for just everybody, not just me, but it's a win for the tool community, because the customer service at Flex so far has just been excellent. I know I did a video previously where I waited on the phone for 15 minutes. I did that yesterday as well. I waited, but finally I put the call back, and that's what you want to do. Just leave a call back. They will call you back. So that's your update after 8 months of, you know, some questions with the Flex on their warranty policy and if the customer service is any good. I would say don't expect to talk to somebody immediately on the phone. Leave a callback number as soon as possible. Somebody will call you back. That's all I got for the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.